Good morning, dear students. In previous classes, we have discussed all the theorems of the chapter circles. And we also discussed some problems based on the theorems in previous classes. Now, in this class, we will do some more problems. Dear students, consider this question. Triangle PQR is right angled triangle at Q with PQ equal to 5 cm and QR equal to 12 cm. A circle with center O is inscribed in triangle PQR. Find radius of circle. So, dear students, consider this figure. This is a triangle PQR. Angle Q is 90 degree. So, from Pythagoras theorem, we know that PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square equal to PQ, that is 5 square plus 12 square. We find here equal to PR square equal to 169. So we find PR equal to 13 centimeter. So length of PR, that is hypotenuse of this triangle, is 13 centimeter. Now dear students, consider this circle with center O. This is inscribed in this triangle. So sides of this triangle will be tangents of this circle, or sides of this triangle, that is PQ, QR and RP, are tangents to this circle at points B, A and C respectively. So dear students, if we join O and B, then OB will be radius of circle and OA also will be radius of circle. Now from the theorem we know that if we draw two tangents from any exterior point to the circle, then if we draw two tangents on circle from any exterior point of the circle, then the lengths of tangents will be equal. That is, from this theorem we know that QA equal to QB and QA equal to QB will be equal to length of radius of circle. This is equation 2. And PB equal to PC, and this is third equation, and RC equal to RA, and RC is equal to, from this figure, RC is equal to RA. So write RC is equal to RA. Dear students, now take PB equal to PC. PB is equal to PC. So PB is equal to PC. This implies that PB can be written as PB is equal to PQ minus BQ. So this PB can be written as PQ minus BQ equal to PC can be written as PC. PC can be written as PR minus RC. So PR minus RC. PR minus RC. Dear students, what is the length of PQ given? It is given as 5 centimeter, minus BQ is equal to radius of circle. BQ or QB is equal to radius of circle. So 5 minus R is equal to PR. PR is equal to 13 centimeter minus RC. We can write at place of RC as RA. So minus RA. RC minus, at place of RC we can write RA, because RC is equal to RA. So we can write here 30 minus. Now what can we write at place of RA? From this figure we can say RA is equal to RQ minus QA. RA is equal to RQ minus QA. So write at place of RA as RQ minus QA. So here in bracket RQ minus QA. Now what is the value of RQ? RQ is given as 12 centimeter, and QA is equal to radius of circle. So we can write here 5 minus R is equal to 13 minus 12 minus QA is equal to R. From this we find 13 minus 12, that is 1, plus R is equal to 5 minus R. From this we find 2R is equal to 4. So R is equal to 2 centimeter. This is the answer. Radius of circle is 2 centimeter. Dear students, consider this figure. Since this circle is inscribed in this right angled triangle, here at point Q there is a right angle. So dear students, these sides PQ, QR, RP, these sides are tangents to this circle. So if we consider point Q, then dear students, QA will be equal to QB, PC is equal to PB, and RC is equal to RA. Now RQ is equal to 12 centimeter, PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. From this we can find PR is equal to 13 centimeter. Now dear students, OB and OA will be equal to radius of this circle. Therefore now we write OB is equal to OA is equal to radius of circle, and OB is equal to OA radius of circle. Therefore QB is equal to QA. QA is equal to QB is also equal to radius of circle. From this figure, because this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree because radius passing through point of contact of tangent and circle is at 90 degree of tangent. So this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. Therefore this angle is 90 degree given, so this angle is also 90 degree. So this OBQA, this quadrilateral is a rectangle, or if this OA and OB are radius of circle, so OBQA O is actually a square. So QA is equal to QB is equal to radius of circle. From the same logic we have written as QA is equal to QB equal to R. Now we starting this problem by writing PC is equal to PB, and from this PB is equal to PC, RC is equal to RA. So PB equal to PC, PB can be written as PQ minus QB, QB is equal to R. So PB written as PQ minus R, that is 5 minus R, and PC can be written as PR minus RC. So PR is 13 minus RC. So here we obtain 5 minus R is equal to 13 minus RC. RC can be written as equal to RA. RC is equal to RA. So RA can be also written as RQ minus QA. So RQ is 12 minus QA is R, 12 minus R. So RA is equal to 12 minus R. So here we have written RA is equal to RQ minus QA, which is 12 minus R, and from this equation we have found R is equal to 2 centimeter. This is an example. Now consider another question. There is a question in figure 10. In figure angle ADC equal to 90 degree. Angle ADC equal to 90 degree. BC is equal to 38 centimeter, CD equal to 28 centimeter, BP is equal to 25 centimeter. Find the radius of circle. Find the radius of circle. So this is the figure which is given. This quadrilateral A, B, C, D is given, and there is a circle inscribed in this quadrilateral. So there is a circle also inscribed in this quadrilateral. This is circle with center O. Circle is not very ideal, but you can ignore it. So this is point S, this is point P, this is point Q, and this is point R. P, Q, R, S. So sides of this quadrilateral are tangents of this circle. So from this figure we can say AF equal to AP, BP is equal to BQ, CQ is equal to CR, DR is equal to DS. In this question, this angle is given as 90 degree because angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. It is given. Now this is center O. Join O and F and O and R. So this angle is also 90 degree because radius passing through the point of contact of tangent and circle is normal to the or perpendicular to the tangent. So this angle is also 90 degree. So if this is radius of circle R, then this is also radius of circle R, and from this figure ROFD is a square. So DF will also equal to DS is also equal to R, and DR is also equal to DS, and DR both are equal because both are tangent from exterior point of circle. Therefore DS is equal to DR is equal to radius of circle. So this is R. Now it is given that BC equal to 38 centimeter. So BC is equal to this side is equal to 38 centimeter, and CD is equal to 28 centimeter. CD is equal to 28 centimeter, and BP is also given as 25 centimeter. BP is equal to 25 centimeter. Now we have to find the radius of circle. So what we have to do? So since ROSD is a square, so DR equal to DS equal to R, DS equal to DR equal to R. So dear students, this DR is also equal to R. So we can write CR is equal to CQ, and CR is equal to CQ, and AF is equal to AP, and AF is equal to AP. Now we can write CR is equal to CD minus DR equal to, we can write CQ is equal to CB or BC minus BQ. BC minus BQ equal to CQ, and DC is equal to 28 minus DR is equal to R. So right here DC DC minus DR is equal to CR. So CR is equal to CQ. We write CR is equal to DC minus DR and CQ is equal to CQ. CQ is equal to BC minus BQ. So BC minus BQ. Now DC is equal to 28 centimeter. DC minus DR. DR is equal to R equal to BC. BC is equal to 38 centimeter minus BQ minus BQ. And BQ can be written as BQ is equal to BP. BQ is equal to BP, and BP is equal to written as BP is equal to 25 centimeter. It is given. So at place of BQ we can write BP. Now 38 minus 25 is equal to 28 minus R. So R is equal to, we find 28 plus 25 minus 38, which is equal to 53 minus 38, which is equal to 53 minus 38, which is equal to 15 centimeter. So R is equal to 15 centimeter. This is the answer. I hope you have understood this question. Dear students, in this question, ABCD is a quadrilateral and angle ADC is 90 degree, and there is a circle inscribed in this quadrilateral. So from the figure, OR is equal to OS is equal to radius of circle, and DR is equal to DS will be equal to radius of circle, because this quadrilateral ORDS, this is a square, because this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. So this is a square because this radius is R, this is radius R. So adjacent side of any parallelogram are equal and its one angle is 90 degree, then that parallelogram will be a square. So we can write dr is equal to ds is equal to radius of circle. Now dear students, we know that BQ is equal to BP. So BQ is equal to BP and CR is equal to CQ. CR is equal to CQ. So here we have written CR is equal to CQ. Now CR can be written as CD minus RD. So CD minus RD, which is 28 minus R, because CD is equal to 28 and 28 minus R equal to BC minus BQ is equal to CQ. CQ is equal to BC minus BQ. So BC minus BQ, BC equal to 38 centimeter and BQ is equal to BP also, and BP is given as 25 centimeter. So at place of BQ we can write 25 centimeter. So BQ is equal to BP, BP is equal to 25 centimeter. So 28 minus R is equal to 38 minus 25. So R is equal to 28 plus 25 minus 38, which is equal to 15 centimeter. So this is the answer. This is the radius of the circle. आई होप आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा. अब इसके बाद कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैं आप लोगों को दे रहा हूं, उसे आप लोग सॉल्व करके उसका सॉल्यूशन मुझे भेजेंगे.